Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are going to learn how human lungs works. We will do an experiment, and it is a simple experiment. Giving example is the Allah Prophet peace be upon him Sunnah. So let's start our experiment. Please note what things we need in this experiment. We need 2 balloons, a scissor, scotch tape, a straw. Take 2 extra straw also, a glue gun, and 1 bottle. Now watch carefully each and every step. First of all, by using the scissor, we will cut down the bottle like this so that straw can be inserted in this hole. This hole should not be bigger than the straw size. It should be airtight, something like that. By using this scissor, easily we can make hole in this bottle. After the hole has been created, put the straw inside the hole. If it is going inside the bottle easily, then it's mean okay, now it is going inside the bottle, something like that. Okay, now it's a careful step to cut out this straw from this end. Be careful in this straw step. Okay, open it now. Okay, now use the second straw. Take the size from the bottom of the straw and with the equal length of this length, take to the second side of straw and cut it from here. Now we have to plug in the glue stick gun and be careful while using this gun. This is too much hard, so be careful while using this.
ऐसे लगाना कुछ थोड़ा
कर दिया. Now blow air inside the straw. This is how human lungs works.